Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you living in Minnesota and currently looking for a bird CD or bird products which will teach you about a wild bird? If you're a bird lover and a proud owner of the Birds Minnesota Field Guide, then the Birds Minnesota Audio CD will be the perfect product for you. Now you can learn to identify the birds in Minnesota simply by sound. This audio CD is a companion to the Birds Minnesota Field Guide. This is prepared by Stan Tikela and has a set of two audio CDs that offers highest quality digital recordings, which is a must-have for any bird lover regardless of age. This is ideal for nature enthusiasts, bird lovers, adults, or even kids. This item features approximately 120 minutes of bird calls. You will instantly know any bird in Minnesota by using this audio CD. The long wait is over. You can have the Birds Minnesota audio CD today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about birds in Minnesota. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.